What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Take My Money Tuesday, where this time I'm going to be talking about a couple special different sneakers that you've never seen on the channel before, and it's just something that I really want to open up. I'm really glad that I'm getting right back to making this series because we just uploaded another one of these last week, and that video was a $5,000 Supreme mystery box. If you guys want to go check that out, so use that iCard or the link in the description because we got a giveaway in that video and in this video, so stay tuned, watch the whole thing. This is something crazy. All right, this keeps making click clack noises. It's dope, but no click clack. This video is kind of a double special unboxing because we have this right here. This is the giveaway. I'll review this in detail as well this video, but this is the star of the show. I just literally want to open it. I'm just so excited to see what we have here today. A sneaker that Nike stopped from releasing. And before I finish opening this up, I just want to kind of do like a little, I guess, like vlog style moment here because, well, I mean, I'm not really filming vlogs at the moment. Not too many people are. I've been posting pretty consistently. That's been my goal, and I just dropped a video a couple days ago, a selling video, and where I'm talking about selling a lot of my stuff. That video is super educational, so I would watch it just for that. I'm trying to buy a house, so yesterday I was house shopping, and it was just really cool to see what is kind of available to me and the quality and production of the videos, guys. I'm so excited to finally be able to be out of this room. Like, this room was dope. It was great for a cool year, but now I'm ready for something bigger, better, a new studio, space to put more items. Like, the amount of stuff I have to show off for you guys is incredible, and not a lot of that stuff gets to be properly shown off, so I sell it, and I'm selling a lot of the stuff that just I've had in storage because now, well, it's time to buy a house. And so I'm super excited, so definitely go check out that video if you want to see everything really that has to do with selling my stuff. But this right here, like, I'm a collector. Like, I collect stuff. It's something that I really enjoy doing. This channel, having all these items, it's my personal hobby. So we do have a rep box. That's just a replacement box, and I got these shoes from my friend Max. I paid a couple $100s short of my rent for them, and now hopefully if they don't release, the value of them will continue to go up. If this sneaker doesn't release, it'll be one of the rarest sneakers I own in my collection, and let's just see it. There they are, yo. Damn, here they are. Right here, we got these Strawberry Cough Nike Dunk SB High. Holy crap, these things are even crazier in person. Oh my gosh. First off, well, the box, I just think it's funny. They're coming in a Nike SB box, and this SB box are for the Supreme SB Gatos. So that's my man Max right there. He's always coming with the heat. We got a heat replacement box, but the contents of the box is what's more important here. We have the Strawberry Cough Nike Dunks. And to put it simply, for my boys over at the Monetization Station, these are a special sneaker. The name is a motif. They are a collaboration with artist Todd Brattrud, who has also designed 8 other Nike Dunks, or 9 or something like that. A lot of them. He's designed a lot of Nike Dunks. These are one of them, and these were slated to release, but they never actually came out. We'll go over why in a couple minutes here. This is a Nike shoe paying homage to its name, the Strawberry Cough. They've been pulled from release and are seeing prices of now $2,000 to $5,000 depending on what size and condition you want. The sneaker looks like a strawberry with the green on the back. This in particular, I was just like, what a different kind of material right here. Logo. The details of the sneaker are clearly just everywhere. Todd Brattrud is the creator of this Nike Dunk. He's a skateboarder. He's been known to design for Nike on a numerous amount of occasions. His first dunk was in 2006, the Send Help, which is basically his brand name now. A cool blue and black color palette, and was made available to skate shops back in 2006. After his first dunk, he did the Send Help 2, featuring a purple elephant printed on the back saying Send Help on the heels. We have the Mr. Brattrud, a brown suede Nike SB, and we also have the Loons, which is the state bird of Minnesota, where Todd Brattrud was from. He also designed the Asparagus Dunks, and two of Brattrud's most notable dunks, besides these right here, are the Nike SB Skunk and the Nike SB Cheech and Chong, which I've recently showed off on my channel. The Skunks are a green and purple, similar fuzzy print as these. Now, I got a special video coming out for you guys this week talking about all my Nike Dunks because we've got a lot of them, but I want to quickly show off the Nike SB Cheech and Chong because this is another one of Brattrud's works, and it's just absolutely incredible. The fact that it's got different prints on each shoe is astonishing to me, along with the details that we see, the burned green textures that I've done myself. I mean, just honestly, just a sneaker that I would not change a single thing about. These off-the-wall, edgier dunks, these dunks are rising in price rapidly just now due to a huge demand in dunks. We've seen it. And to add on to that list of those special edgier dunks, we have the 2018 White Widows, and those were a dunk mid. There's been a shoe of the year every year. 2016, it was the Ultra Boost. This year, guys, it's the year of the dunks. We're seeing so many great dunk colorways, so many great dunk collaborations, so I want to talk about that in a video I have dropping this week, so stay tuned. Probably gonna happen on Saturday or Thursday, depending on how I'm feeling. What's with these now though? The Dunk High Tops, the Strawberry Highs. These got canceled, and instead we saw the Nike Dunk 420, which are a purple, beautiful numbered edition, and if anybody has a 9 or 9.5, I'm paying for them. I will buy them. So hit me up, get in contact with me, help me find a pair. I'm trying to add them to the collection. They were supposed to have a release on 420, which is what all the blog outlets said for weeks. Then we saw different things of, oh, they're gonna get pushed back this summer. I'm hearing things they're not getting released at all. So whatever it is, I just wanted to secure my pair before anything crazy happened, whether Nike was like, we're just not gonna release them, or whether they're like, without our little boy right there on the heel. Like, that is just gonna be, I need that. That's gonna increase the value of these by a couple thousand. So the speculative price is a couple thousand for these. Now, everything can go to and they could release exactly as is, and I'm out $1,500 because they'll go for like probably $700 if they release. But I don't doubt that they won't be coming out without a hassle for the next couple months. So I'm just glad to have them early, and I know they're legit. I mean, look at this. Boom. I want to talk about that. I got the watermelon and the green colored laces that supposedly come with the sneakers. Most pairs don't have a box. On all these online listings you're seeing, no box on just about every single one of them. That's just something to consider as well. You're not going to have a box with just about every pair. The way that these get laced up too, the way they have this double flap right here with that beautiful that green, what is that, like velour? I just don't even know. Maybe somebody in the comments can help me. We've got that beautiful Nike SB Dunk High right there on the tongue. Our boy Strawberry Cough, please increase the value of our shoes by some money. We definitely need to see that for this year. The strawberry print, it's just so beautiful. Each dot is yellow. It really just adds a different texture and feeling to the sneaker, along with, of course, this icy translucent bottom. The red to green is just so nice with the red stitching in the middle of the sneaker midsole. This right here is the insole to the Strawberry Coughs, and it is, well, once again, the motif, the Strawberry Cough. That is so cool. It's on both insoles, so you can put them together and it kind of makes like a little image for you. Another detail, just Nike always surprises us with the details. The details that Nike puts into the sneakers is truly phenomenal because you don't see this. This is just for the person that owns the shoe. And these are just a super hot topic right now, and I'm just so blessed to be able to add them into the collection. With that being said, guys, this was just the review of the Strawberry Cough Dunks. Let's talk about now the giveaway for you guys at home. Anybody can participate. It's free. 2 brand new Supreme shirts. Anybody could win. Just leave a comment of which one you want and a like on this video. Don't forget, maybe, and what'd you learn today in this video? Something cool or something interesting? I don't know, maybe. What is this? This is the brand new Supreme COVID-19 Takashi Murakami box logo. Over $1 million in relief support. This shirt right here is literally one of the sickest box logos of all time because of the fact that it is with artist Takashi Palm, designer of many popular things in our time, at least. Kanye West, the graduation cover, a lot of you guys may know that. So when he's doing this right here, Supreme, they got a gold mine with this dude. This is a box logo that will literally look good in 5 years. This box logo will look good in 10 years. COVID Relief Fund box logo. So as you guys can see, those special details right there on the back. And just the front print, like you guys see it. It's just beautiful. You could head over to my Instagram right now, turn on my post notifications, and give me a follow, because I'll be dropping a picture of me wearing this box logo, and that is gonna be a giveaway. It's so easy. Just head over to Instagram. It's a free giveaway. Absolutely crazy. Leave a like for the strawberry dunks and the giveaway. And don't forget, guys, I'll be catching you very soon with another brand new video of my SB Dunk collection. Have a good one. It's your boy Blazendary signing out. Stay positive and peace out.